Are you thinking about selling your home and wanting to make sure you get the strongest result possible? Hi, I'm Lesa Miller with Lesa Miller Real Estate and REMAX Acclaimed Properties. I've been selling real estate for 25 years, primarily in the Monroe-Lawrence County area and the surrounding Indiana communities. And one mistake sellers sometimes make is choosing an agent based only on a promise, a personality, or the lowest commission. And I understand why that happens. Everyone wants to protect their bottom line. But a lower commission does not automatically mean a better net result. The real question is not only what am I paying, the better question is what am I walking away with? If weak pricing, poor preparation, limited exposure, or soft negotiation causes your home to sell for less, sit longer, or give up more in inspection or appraisal negotiations, then the money you thought you saved can disappear quickly. The fee matters, but the final net matters more. Selling a home is not just putting it online and waiting for a buyer. It takes pricing strategy, preparation, presentation, marketing, communication, and negotiation. And one of the first places that strategy shows up is curb appeal. Before buyers ever walk through the front door, they have already formed an opinion from the online photos, the yard, the driveway, the landscaping, the front entry, and the overall condition of the outside. The good news is that you do not always have to spend a fortune to make a better impression. Fresh mulch, trimmed landscaping, a clean front entry, working exterior lights, touched up trim, pressure washed walkways, and a few seasonal plants can help the home feel cared for before buyers ever step inside. The goal is not to make the home look fake. The goal is to help buyers see that the home has been maintained and to make them want to continue through the property with confidence. When I work with sellers, I help them think through what is worth doing before listing and what probably is not worth the money. So if you're thinking about selling, request your home value information. I'll help you look at your property, your pricing, and the preparation steps that may help you make the strongest impression. I'm Lesa Miller with Lesa Miller Real Estate and REMAX Acclaimed Properties, and I'd be happy to help you through this process.